A brand new day. Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to upgrade or downgrade your subscription plan. First, go to the billing page and find the line that says Subscription Options. Click on Change Your Plan to enter the pricing page. Here, you can select the plan you want to upgrade or downgrade to. Let's say I want to upgrade to the unlimited plan. My current plan is the Pro plan, and now I want to upgrade to unlimited. On this page, there are two options. The first option allows you to keep the remaining credits from your current plan. After clicking to upgrade, the system will immediately switch to your newly upgraded plan. The unused credits from your current Pro plan will be retained and can still be used normally. Additionally, your current Pro plan subscription will automatically be canceled, ensuring there's no double billing or overcharging. The second option converts the remaining credits from your current plan into a monetary refund. After upgrading, you'll immediately start using the unlimited plan, but your remaining credits will be converted into a refund that typically gets processed within about 10 business days. Keep in mind, any remaining credits will no longer be available for use. It's worth noting that the credits mentioned here refer specifically to those left from your current subscription cycle. Credits acquired from other sources such as daily check-in rewards or gift credits are unaffected. If you plan to continue using our service, we generally recommend choosing option A, which retains your credits and provides better value. You can then simply click the Upgrade Now button to proceed to the checkout page. Complete your payment, and your plan will be upgraded. Similarly, if your goal is to downgrade, you'll need to select a plan with a lower price than your current subscription plan. Then, click to proceed. A downgrade notice will appear, showing details about switching from your current subscription. For example, let's say your Pro plan is active, and you want to downgrade to the Standard plan. Once you confirm, the system will immediately downgrade you to the Standard plan. This downgrade takes effect instantly, and your current Pro plan will be canceled at the same time. There will be no duplicate charges, but any unused credits or benefits from your PRO plan will no longer be accessible. If you'd prefer to continue using your PRO plan until the end of the current billing cycle, you can wait until it's closer to expiration before downgrading. Once you confirm the downgrade, click